Hey everyone! Welcome back to your channel name, where we explore everything tech for gamers, writers, and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're focusing on mechanical keyboards, specifically the best switches for beginners. If you're curious about mechanical keyboards and which switches might be right for you, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, why mechanical keyboards? Unlike membrane keyboards, mechanical keyboards use individual switches under each key, making them more durable and providing satisfying feedback. They offer endless customization options. Mechanical keyboard switches come in three main types: linear, tactile, and clicky. Linear switches are smooth, quiet, and perfect for gamers. Tactile switches offer a noticeable bump, ideal for typists. Clicky switches provide tactile feedback with an audible click, loved by those who enjoy traditional typing. For beginners, lighter, low actuation force switches, like linear red or tactile brown switches, are recommended. They're easier on the fingers and offer a balanced experience. Customizing your keyboard is part of the fun, from switch type to keycap customization. Maintaining your keyboard can extend its lifespan. For beginners, start with accessible switches. Consider a hot swappable keyboard and experiment to find what suits your style. The right mechanical keyboard can significantly upgrade your experience. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Have questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video.